Hello, my name is Anja and I'm a sales representative at Macherei Nagel in Germany. In this video I will show you our test strip analyzer Urexon Relax for urine analysis. This device is intended for the instrumental evaluation of Urexon Stick 10 urine test strips. I will also show you what you get if you buy this device from Macherei Nagel or our official distributors. It is designed for the semi-quantitative detection of pathogenic parameters in urine specimen. Urexon Relax and Urexon Stick 10 are CE marked according to the IVD regulations. So first up, what's actually inside the box is the device, and you will notice that it is protected by another layer of cardboard. Take out this piece, which also holds the manual and quick start guide in place. The manual and the quick start guide come in 4 different languages and describe all important functions of the Urexon Relax as well as the safety instructions. Please make sure to read these instructions before using the device. The device itself is very lightweight and can easily be removed from the box. The box also contains a roll of printer paper which you can insert into the device to print out your results. A power supply with 4 adapters for different power outlets is attached to connect the Urexon Relax to the power outlet. Now let's take a closer look at the Urexon Relax. The device and all of its features can be controlled by this colored 3.5-inch touchscreen. Once the device is switched on, it will automatically move out this test strip slider. Afterwards, you just need to place the test strip on it, and the device will automatically move the test strip in and analyze it for you. On the top part is the printer flap. Open it with this button here. Once it's opened, you can insert the paper, close the flap, and your Urexon Relax is ready to print out each result after measurement. On the bottom side, you can see the battery compartment. This can easily be opened up. Once it is assembled with 6 AA batteries, the device is also ready for mobile applications. On the back side of the device, you can see the on-off switch, the port for the power adapter, a USB interface for connection of a keyboard or barcode reader, a USB-B port for data transfer and device updates, a LAN interface and a serial interface for data transfer. We will come back to this device in another video where we will show you the most important features as well as everything you can do after your first device startup. This concludes our unboxing video. As you just saw, if you order the Urexon Relax, you will receive a complete package that enables you to get reliable and precise measurement results from day one. If you want more information, please visit our website and links in the description below.